Action.
So, boys and girls, I hope you have already responded in your journal for the questions that were posted on the slide for today. What is the purpose of the leaf? How do leaves help plants meet their basic needs? And which of these types of leaves do we eat? Do all plants have flowers? How do flowers help plants meet their basic needs? We're going to look at our plants first. As you can see, the one that's receiving the water has not done anything, so there's no growth. The one in the petri dish is continuing to grow. It has leaves in the stem, and you can see all the roots that are continuing to grow as the plant grows. The same with the one that's in the cup. It's lost its seed coating and sprouted its leaves. The one that has been growing in the dark but receiving water has grown the most, but does it look healthy? The stems are more yellowish, they're not green, the leaves aren't green. It's not as healthy as it needs to be because it's not getting sun. The one that is getting sun and water has grown the most. You can see the leaves that are sprouting, and the leaf's purpose is that it creates photosynthesis and gas exchange. A leaf is often flat. It absorbs the most light and thin so that the sunlight can get the chloroplast into the cells that it needs to survive. It also regulates the carbon dioxide and oxygen and water vapor exchange with the atmosphere. So far we've talked about the roots and their purpose and the leaves. The leaves is important to the plant because of the photosynthesis that it gets from the sun, and then changes it into carbon dioxide and oxygen that we need to breathe. So what parts of a plant are leaves that we eat? These are some that you may be aware of. Most of them are in the form of lettuce and the different types of lettuce: spinach, lettuce, and that takes us to our flowers. What does the flower do? The flower attracts insects by its color, and it needs the insects to pollinate the flowers. After being pollinated, the flower makes more seeds, and that's how the process continues over. We have some flowers that are edible. These are some of the edible flowers. You may not be aware of them because most of them are changed into some form of spice that is used for cooking. These are also considered flowers: broccoli, cauliflower, artichokes. They are flowers that we do eat and we consume, so they are edible. So that's all for today, but stay tuned to see what happens next with our plants. I'll talk to you later in the week. Have a great day.